What is up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here. Just when we thought that things couldn't get any better, the leak has kicked in with some massive Samsung Galaxy S22 leaks that could potentially change the entire market. From the 200 megapixel camera to the collaboration with Olympus to the DSLR-like zoom all the way up to the Exynos chip with AMD Graphics and much more, so make sure to stick till the end. First things first, let's talk about the 200 megapixel camera. So there is a rumor floating around that Samsung will use a 200 megapixel camera inside of their Galaxy S22, which is absolutely insane, and it was also somewhat teased by Samsung Exynos in their tweet. And if that happens, it will be a massive leap forward and it will be incredibly big in size as compared to the already big 108 megapixel sensor inside of the S21 Ultra. And the photos taken from it will be incredibly detailed and it will perform great in low light. I expect that Samsung will first let Xiaomi use it like they've always done to kind of experiment and then use a better sensor of that inside of their phones. But this is just a rumor as for now, it may or may not happen, but the rest of the things I'm going to tell are leaks by reliable sources. So reportedly, Samsung will be collaborating with Olympus, which is a Japanese manufacturer that makes mirrorless cameras and lenses, and this is the first time we're seeing Samsung collaborating with a camera company. Sources claim that this collab wouldn't be like Zeiss, Leica or Hasselblad like with the Chinese brands. It will be very different. It is still unknown where their expertise will be used, maybe in the image processing and the color calibration, but it will be interesting to see how it goes and how much it improves Samsung's camera quality. Also, we could potentially see a Periscope camera with a DSLR-like continuous zoom on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Initially, we used to see fixed lenses and Samsung had to use multiple zoom cameras inside of their phones, and even then the zoom quality was not as good as the main camera since we have to crop images before the telephoto or Periscope camera kicks in. But with this, we'll see a lossless zoom and we would be able to zoom freely from 3x to 10x similar to digital and DSLR cameras, and there won't be any hiccups in quality or colors. It's not the first time we're seeing this kind of technology inside of phones. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark III's Periscope camera also uses a similar solution. So if that happens, that would be a massive leap forward in Samsung's zoom game. And like with the Galaxy Fold 3, which I also made a video on its design leak, I'll link down in the description and here in the iCard, definitely check it out. We will also see the under display camera on the Galaxy S22 fulfilling our dream of an edge-to-edge display with no distractions or moving parts, so that's pretty sweet. And also, we will finally see the long-awaited Exynos 2200 processor with AMD Radeon mobile GPU. We have been waiting for this forever and it's finally happening, and it is set to change the game with its next level gaming performance as well as CPU performance, and it is also claimed that it will be better than Apple's A series chipset, making it a perfect competitor. And it will be announced at the end of this year and will debut inside of the Galaxy S22 in 2020. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Samsung is going wild and is just planning on sabotaging the competition. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like in this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with that bell icon, and I'll catch you guys next time.